Hey Ford fans, I've got a quick tip that might save you a headache with your F-150 or Super Duty tailgate. If you own a 2015 to 2022 F-150 or a 2017 to 2022 Super Duty, listen up. The center step molding on your tailgate might be loose, warped, or even missing. Don't panic. It's a super common problem, and I'm here to break it down. So here's the deal. Ford put out something called SSM 51185. It's not a recall, not a TSB either, just a memo for dealers. Basically, instead of replacing the whole rear step assembly, you can now just ask for the trim cover alone. That's way cheaper and quicker. Now, if your molding's busted, just hit up your local Ford dealer and mention SSM 51185. They should be able to order the part and swap it out. No need for the whole assembly. But I know a bunch of you are DIYers, so here's the scoop: aftermarket replacements run about 40 to 50 bucks online. Owners on the forums say they're just as good as OEM. Now let's talk about a super common DIY method: using RTV sealant to reattach your tailgate molding. Here's how you do it, step by step. First, clean the area thoroughly. Get rid of any old adhesive, dirt, or grease so the sealant sticks well. Next, apply a continuous bead of RTV to the back of the molding. Then, press the molding firmly onto the tailgate, making sure it's lined up just right. After that, use painter's tape to hold the molding in place while the RTV cures, usually about 24 hours. Safety tip: always wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area when using sealant. This method is popular because it's simple, affordable, and holds up great if you do it right. I've seen a walkthrough where someone just riveted the new part on and called it a day. So remember, it's not officially a recall or anything, but it's a super easy fix whether you go dealer or DIY. Got questions, need links, or want a step-by-step guide? Drop a comment down below. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see fixed next. Thanks for watching.